Have you ever considered investing in precious metals for your retirement? Well, there's a way to do it, and it's through a vehicle known as a precious metal IRA. This is a unique type of self-directed individual retirement account that gives you the opportunity to invest in assets like gold, silver, platinum, and even palladium. But there's a catch. These IRAs require a custodian, a trusted third party, to hold the physical metals for you in a secure storage facility. So you're not just investing in metals, you're investing in security. The role of a reputable custodian cannot be overstated in the process of investing in a precious metal IRA. Now you might be wondering, why should you consider investing in a precious metal IRA? Well, there are several compelling reasons. First, consider their status as safe haven investments. Precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium have held their value throughout history, offering a sense of security during economic downturns. In a world filled with uncertainty, they offer a comforting constancy. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While precious metals are considered safe, they can also be volatile, with prices that rise and fall with market conditions. This can lead to performance issues when compared to other asset classes. If you're seeking steady, predictable growth, precious metals might not be your first choice. A key aspect to keep in mind is the principle of moderation. Investing in precious metals should be done conservatively. Experts typically recommend allocating no more than 5 to 10% of your retirement funds to these assets. This approach keeps your portfolio diversified and helps protect against the inherent risks of any single investment. Another point to ponder is the need for a custodian to manage your precious metal IRA. This can add a layer of complexity to your investment, as you'll need to select a reputable custodian and ensure the physical metals are stored in a secure facility. In conclusion, precious metals offer a unique opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio and provide a measure of protection against market volatility. However, as with any investment, they come with their own set of considerations. While precious metals can provide a safety net, they should be viewed as a part of a diversified investment strategy, not a standalone solution. Like with any investment, there are costs to consider when investing in a precious metal IRA. Now, let's dive into the potential expenses associated with these types of investments. The first cost you might encounter is the setup fee. This is a one-time charge for opening your IRA account. Once the account is set up, there will be transaction fees every time you buy or sell your precious metals. Next, we have custodial fees. This is usually a yearly cost paid to the custodian for managing your account. Custodians are necessary as they hold the physical metals in a secure storage facility. Finally, there are physical asset storage fees. Since precious metals are physical assets, they need to be stored securely. This storage is not free, and the cost can add up over time. All these costs can vary greatly depending on the custodian and the storage facility. So it's important to do your research and understand all the costs involved before you start investing. Being aware of these costs is crucial to making an informed investment decision. So, how do you go about investing in a precious metal IRA, you may ask? Well, let's break it down into digestible steps. Firstly, you'll need to select a custodian. This is an institution that holds your physical metals in a secure storage facility. It is crucial to choose a reputable custodian who complies with IRS regulations. Secondly, it's time to work with a dealer. This is where your knowledge and patience come into play. The dealer will offer you various precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Be sure to choose metals that are approved by the IRS. Thirdly, it's time to decide on an approved depository for storage. This is where your precious metals will be securely stored. Again, the depository must adhere to IRS regulations. Once you've completed these steps, you're well on your way to investing in a precious metal IRA. It's a process that requires diligence, but the potential benefits make it worth the effort. However, let's not forget that investing in precious metals should be done conservatively. As a rule of thumb, they should constitute no more than 5 to 10% of your retirement funds. Remember, investing in a precious metal IRA is a significant financial decision, and it's important to do your research and seek professional advice if needed. Investing in precious metals can be a great way to diversify your retirement portfolio. We've journeyed through the world of precious metal IRAs, touching on their benefits and considerations. We've underscored the significance of understanding the associated costs. from setup fees to transaction charges. Emphasizing the value of selecting a reputable custodian, we've walked through a step-by-step guide to make this investment journey smoother for you. Investing in precious metals should be a calculated decision, typically no more than 5 to 10% of retirement funds. If you found this video informative and want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Remember, knowledge is the key to wise investing. Until next time.